Dear students, the previous session we discussed cross product of two vectors. Now, geometrical OA vector, OB vector, using two vectors we can draw one parallelogram OA, CB. Here n vector, n cap is perpendicular to both A and B. A cross is also perpendicular to both A vector and B vector. So A cross B is perpendicular to both A vector and B vector. Whose magnitude modulus of A vector cross B is equal to the area of the parallelogram whose adjacent sides are the vectors A vector and B vector. So area of this triangle is equal to half of the parallelogram, that is half into A vector cross B vector. So vector area means without magnitude, without modulus you can write. So area of triangle OAB equal to half into modulus of A vector cross B vector. A vector cross B vector equal to minus of B vector cross A vector, that is A vector cross B vector not equal to B vector cross A vector. Vector part is not commutative. A vector cross A vector equal to 0 vector. M into A vector cross B vector equal to M A vector cross B vector equal to A vector cross MB vector. A vector cross A vector cross B vector, A vector cross C vector. So cyclic order I to J, J to K. I, J are mutually perpendicular vectors. I vector, I cap, J cap, K cap. They are mutually perpendicular unit vectors cross. Here 0 vector, 0 vector, 0 vector. Since A vector cross A vector equal to 0 vector, I cross J, that is cyclic order, we have K. I cross K, that is minus J. J cross I, J cross I, that is anti-clockwise. K, J cross K plus I, K cross I plus J, K cross J minus I. If cyclic rotator means the answer will be positive with third vector. If it's non-cyclic, then we have negative sign before the perpendicular vector. So A vector equal to A1I plus A2 J vector plus A3 K vector. B vector equal to B1I plus B2J plus B3K. A vector cross B vector, I vector, J vector, K vector. A1, A2, A3 in the first second row, B1, B2, B3 in the third row. If A vector parallel to B vector, then A1 by B1 equal to A2 by B2 equal to A3 by B3. If A1 by B1 equal to A2 by B2 equal to A3 by B3. To find area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC equal to half into AB vector cross AC vector. The vector area of triangle ABC with vertices having A vector, B vector and C vector respectively is half into A vector cross B vector plus B vector cross C vector plus C vector cross A vector. The points whose position vectors A vector, B vector, C vector are collinear if only if A vector cross B vector plus B cross C plus C cross A equal to 0 vector. Area of quadrilateral. Vector area of quadrilateral ABCD is given by half into AC vector cross BD vector. To find vector moment of force about a point. The vector moment or torque m vector of a force F vector about the point O is the vector whose magnitude is equal to the product of modulus F vector and perpendicular distance of O from the line of action of F vector. That's modulus whose magnitude modulus m vector equal to modulus F into ON. In triangle OAN, sin theta equal to ON by OA. ON by modulus R vector. So ON equal to modulus R sin theta. So modulus M vector equal to modulus F vector modulus R vector sin theta. That is modulus R vector cross F vector. Which implies M vector equal to R cross F. So R vector F vector yes R cross F vector. The moment of force F vector about O is independent of the choice of the point A on the line of action of force F vector. Is several forces acting at a point on the line of x force F vector, then the resultant force should be taken for F vector. Find the moment of force about a line. Let F vector be a force acting at a point A. OB any point on the given line. And A cap be the unit vector along the line. Then moment of F vector about the line L is a scalar given by YA vector cross F vector into A cap. YA vector cross F vector dot A cap. The perpendicular distance of A, that is 1 4 minus 2, from BC where coordinates of B and C are respectively 2 1 minus 2 and 0 minus 5 1 is three by 7 root 26 by 7 3 root 26 by 7 root 26. The given point is 1 comma 4 comma minus 2 A. 1 comma 4 comma minus 2. Other 2 points. B 2 1 minus 2. C 0 minus 5 1. 0 minus 5 1. You draw one perpendicular, that is D. This is theta. Here 90 degree. You want to find AD, that is the perpendicular from BC. So sin theta equal to AD by AB. AD equal to AB sin theta. AD equal to AB sin theta. Angle between sin theta is given as sin theta equal to AB vector or sin theta equal to BC cross BA by modulus BC modulus BA. Therefore, AD equal to AB BC cross BA by modulus BC modulus BA equal to BC vector cross BA vector modulus BC vector. Since modulus BA equal to AB, this will get cancelled. BC vector OC minus OB 0 minus 2, that is minus 2 comma minus 5 minus 1 minus 6 1 minus plus 3. That is minus 2y minus 6a plus 3k. BA vector OA minus OB vector minus I plus 3j, that's it, minus I plus 3j. So BC vector cross BA vector I j k. BC vector minus 2 minus 6 3. BA vector minus 1 3 0. So I vector into 0 minus 9 minus j vector into 0 plus 3 plus k vector into minus 6 minus 6 minus 9i minus 12k So minus j into minus 3j minus 12k. Modulus of BC vector cross BA vector. 81 plus 9 plus 144. So 3 into root 26. So we have found already BC vector equal to minus 2a minus 6a minus 2i minus 6a plus 3k. Modulus BC equal to root of 4 plus 36 plus 9. That is 7. So perpendicular distance AD equal to modulus of BC cross BA by modulus BC. That is 3 into root 26 by 7. A vector cross B vector the whole squared plus A dot B the whole squared equal to modulus A squared modulus B squared. So this should be remembered. Using this problem can be asked. A cross B whole square plus A dot B whole squared equal to modulus A square plus modulus A square to modulus B squared. Modulus of A cross I the whole squared plus modulus of A cross J whole squared plus modulus of A cross whole squared. For any vector A vector modulus A cross A whole square plus modulus A cross A whole square plus modulus A cross whole square. So A vector cross I means let A vector equal to A1I plus A2J plus A3K. A cross I A1I plus A2J plus A3K cross I cross I 0, J cross I minus K, K cross I J. So modulus A cross I means A2 square plus root of a2 square plus a3 square, which implies modulus of whole square equal to a2 square plus a3 square, modulus of a cross j whole square. So if you take cross of the I vector, you don't have a1 term. So a cross j whole square means a1 square plus a3 square. A vector cross k vector whole square means a1 square plus a2 square. Modulus of a vector cross I the whole square plus modulus of a vector cross j vector whole square plus modulus of a vector cross k vector whole square. a2 square plus a3 square, a1 square plus a3 square plus a1 square plus a2 square, twice a1 square plus a2 square plus a3 square, twice modulus a vector whole square. So cos theta equal to a vector dot b vector by modulus a vector into modulus b vector. Sin theta equal to modulus of a vector cross b vector by modulus a vector into modulus b vector, which implies sin theta by tan theta equal to modulus of a vector cross b vector by a dot b vector. Using cross and dot product, we can derive this result. Trivial product of vectors. Scalar trivial product. For any three vectors, the scalar product of one of the vectors and the cross product of remaining two is called three vectors are given scalar product of one vector with the cross product of remaining two vectors is called a scalar triple product. So A vector, B vector, C vector. A cross is perpendicular to A and B, that is n cap. The angle between C vector and this is phi. Angle between A and B is theta. This is found parallelopiped. If A vector, B vector, C vector are three vectors, then A vector cross B vector dot C vector is called triple product is called scalar triple product and is denoted by A vector, B vector, C vector. A vector, B vector, C vector equal to A vector cross B vector dot C vector equal to modulus A vector modulus B vector sin theta cos phi. So phi is the angle between C vector and this angle is phi, this angle theta. Geometrical interpretation or scalar triple products. A vector cross B vector dot C vector. The scalar triple product A vector cross B vector dot C vector represents the volume of the parallelopiped whose coterminous edges are represented by A vector, B vector and C vector. Which form a right-handed system of vectors. The scalar triple product A cross B dot C is positive or negative according as A vector, B vector, C vector form a right-handed or left-handed system respectively. A vector equal to A1I plus A2J plus A3K. B vector equal to B1I plus B2J plus B3K. C vector equal to C1I plus C2J plus C3K. A1, B1, C1 A to B to C to A3 B3 C3, A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, A3 B3 C3. That is a expansion of scalar triple product. So we will discuss the properties of scalar triple product in the next session. Thank you.